Well, here we are. We got the battery tender connectors. So these connectors, what they'll do is you put these parts on your battery. This has a fuse, I think, and then this is a quick connector on the other side. So here we are. Take it out of the package here. What a toss. All right, so we have our positive, negative. I think that this is a fuse. Yep, this is a fuse. And then you have your quick connector side. So your plug in here and a cap to keep the dirt out of that. So you want to unlock the back of your motorcycle. That's the first thing you want to do. Go ahead and take the top off, set that aside. And then you're going to want to go ahead and take this piece, your seat off. So this right here is going to be your negative, and then your positive. Your positive has a plastic cover, or a rubber cover on top. Sorry, not plastic, rubber. So I'm going to go ahead and move that back. What we're going to have to do is take these off in order to install these beneath the screws. That way they stay on there. So what you need is a screwdriver. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the positive first, I believe. Be sure when you're doing this that you don't touch any metal. So you don't want to shock yourself. So be very careful. Just took the screw out. Now we'll put the screw on. So just put it on through here. Screw back on. And do the same for the negative. Well, there's a little hump on here, as you can see. So I'm going to put the flat side down so it seeds better. So it fits a lot smoother on here. Because with that hump, it was preventing me from screwing it back on. So just flip that around and screw that back on nice and tight. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this fuse in this little hole. It's going to make it bulge a little in this area, but that's all right. That'll be fine. Push those. That wire a little down so it doesn't break. Come on, you know you want to go there. There we go. Okay, so I got that in there. I'll tuck the rest of the wires down into here. I want to make this a little short one so it sticks. So it sticks right in here, comes out here, and I can plug in right here. It's out of the way of everything else. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a zip tie and slip it through here. Actually, I'll pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie this nice and tight so it stays. I'll have the zip tie face inside. So what I did there was zip tie it here, just so that wire stays in there. Cut that off. All that wire's gonna be nice and down and in there, tucked away. Go ahead and slide your seat back on there. You may have to widen this a little, hold it open a little, that way it fits onto both sides. Because it may not want to fit because you widened it a little with that fuse. So it may take a little bit of whittling to get it to fit down there, but it will get on there. And it'll fit nice and perfect. See? Then we can put your seat back on. Go ahead and put your seat back on here, snap it in, and you're good. Look, you're perfect. You can go ahead, get your battery tender, put it on here, and you're good to go. So your bike is charging right now. It's the battery tender quick connector install, and it works well. I love it. I put it on my old motorcycle. Makes it easy to charge the battery, especially in winter.